Today I've brought the top 5 riding boots under the budget of 6,000 that offers the best balance of safety, comfort and value, all available at Bikester Global. So at number 5, we have Bison Defender riding boots. These boots are designed for everyday riders who want solid protection without sacrificing comfort. They feature a durable microfiber construction, reinforcement shin and ankle protection, and an anti-slip sole that gives good grip both on the bikes and while walking. A great option for daily commute and casual touring. Priced at 4290. At number 4, we have Gadsyll Atom 7 inches riding boots. These boots comes with water-resistant construction, thermoformed toe and heel protection, and the TPU ankle guard for added impact safety. The padded collar and cushion footbed improve comfort for long hours, while the grippy rubber soles provide confident footing. This is a strong all-rounder for riders who want protection, comfort, and slight aggressive look. Priced around 5099. At number 3, it is Clan Scout D30 waterproof riding boots. These boots stands out because of the D30 impact protection, which stays flexible during normal uses and harden instantly during the impact. They also feature a waterproof Dytech membrane, makes them suitable for riding in rains and wet conditions. The high traction outsole and the comfort fit makes them ideal for the city rides as well as the weekend touring. Priced at 4499. At number 2, it's my personal favorite, Raida Tourer riding boots. Built for both daily commute and short rides. These boots offers reinforcement ankle padding and thermoform toe cap and gel padded orthopedic inner sole for comfort. They offer featured YKK zippers for easy wearing and reflector panels at the rear for better night visibility. If you want a reliable, comfortable boots for everyday uses, this is a great choice. Priced at 4250. At number 1, it's Raida Discover riding boots. These boots are designed for riders who love touring and adventure riding. They come with water-resistant construction, a rugged anti-slip sole, steel shank reinforcement, TPU shin protection, and excellent overall durability. If you're planning long routes and want a boot that can handle different road conditions, this is the best option under the budget. Priced at 5849. So these were the top 5 riding boots from Bikester Global. Let me know in the comment which will you choose. Like the video if it helped and do subscribe for more information on riding gears. Ride safe and I'll see you in the next one.